Welcome. Wow. Have you ever had one of those mornings where you're just in a funk? Or maybe you have a morning where you're in a funk and you don't recognize that you're in a funk. Or you have the alarm set for about 5:30 a.m. and it goes off and you're like, no way. And pay attention to those days. Awareness is key. Awareness is key to your energy, and it rhymes. The key to energy is awareness. No, that doesn't rhyme. Awareness is key to your energy, and to honor it. But if you've got a day that's jack-packed with things to do, and you're going to be that go train, then you've got to fuel your engine. You got to stoke your fire. And that is totally doable with your breath. We have ways that our breath can calm us down, and we have ways that our breath can energize us up. So when I always say, you think of Tony Robbins, before he comes on stage, he's pumping it. He's pumping his breath. And a lot of times that can be called the fire breath, or another word for that breath is called Kalabati. And it's an abdominal breath. But I often, I say we don't just jump into running a marathon without doing some training or doing, some sort of a warm up to that. Or we don't jump into meditation when we're angry. We just don't go, oh, I'm so mad, I'm going to go and meditate. There's a process to everything to get there, to give you your greatest success. And when you have success, you want to come back to it time and time again. So it's really important to create that success. We have at BlissBE.METHod, Integrative Holistic Health, we have principles that that are the preface to our methods and our BlissBE method. And that allows for greater success. And it's a process. So what I share here with you today and every Monday is one small piece of the process, one small piece of getting to those key principles of grounding, centering, and aligning, regulating, and oh goodness, I just drew a blank. Deep diaphragmatic breathing. Thank you. And also, what are our steps previous to that? The key in all that success, in all that preparation for nurturing and maintaining and growing and amplifying and ascending your energy is awareness that it's actually off. And that comes in the form of suffering. So even if we have the smallest way that we suffer, whether it's a worry, whether it's anxiety, or that threshold of that one step off the ground. And when we take that second step off on day brings or the week, just ask for the highest and greatest good for you and all to experience that this week. And then create the awareness to watch what shows up. And we're just going to expand that higher. We're going to allow the body to experience sort of that ID point just above our head and round it out. We can come up the front of our body again, feel it, and round it out. One more time, come up our body, feel it up to that ID point, and round it out. And now just take a deep breath down into your lower abdomen. And on the exhale, just allow anything that needs to go to feel released through your hands and your feet. We'll do that 2 more times as we prepare to bring it to a close. Breathe down into the lower abdomen. Allow it to expand into your ribs, up to your shoulders and down your hands. And it's like opening the windows of your fingertips or the nails on the toenails or even the bottom of your feet, whatever works for you, just to release everything out. And then turn it off like you would turn off a tap. Bring your hands back to your heart as you come into this place of centering, as we've followed the 4 directions of nurturing and nourishing your energy. Breathe into your heart. Give gratitude for yourself first, for taking this time with yourself. Give gratitude for all that does support you. And if you feel like you don't have support, know that I support you. And I'm here to work with you at any point in time that you feel called, you feel ready to join me on the journey of you, to experience your difference. Just go to www.BlissBE.ME and see what feels right. Feel into it. Allow that energy to be the key to you. It's foundational. It's the most important thing that you can do for you. I love you so very much. I've got a card that we're going to pull for ourselves today and see what it says. Give your life new meaning. Wow. Talk about an awareness card. Give your life new meaning. That would definitely be a one-to-one appointment with me. That would allow you to step into that journey of you, to give your life new meaning. Blessings, beautiful friends. I love you. Take good care. We'll see you next Monday at BlissBE.ME, Integrative Holistic Health, Monday Motivation, where we power up your week and turn your energy drains into energy gains with so much love. Bye for now.